Yeah, yeah. What a beautiful, beautiful morning, Monday morning. It's your boy, we back with another motherfucker. Let us, not like yeah, do all the good stuff that I'm gonna drop no, it's not a late video, but I'm gonna drop a fucking dope ass video today, right now. So I'm going to campus right now. So yeah, I'm gonna drop with the latest ass. Tango. Yeah, fuck. Yeah, it's your boy. I'm back with another motherfucking lit ass video, guys. What's the game? Essa was taking my shit at the end of my first place, man. There's something that I figured out, dog. Like, for real, I don't like figure it out, dog. Just, it's always been like this. But there's like, you know, there's always gonna be, it's always gonna be you against the world, boy. 24/7, 365 days, boy. It's always gonna be you against the world. I don't wanna lie, man. But one thing I can tell you, this is gonna be a bonus if someone really give a damn about you. But like, if like it's fucking down for you, understand? Like it's down for you, but like it's gonna make sure like you're good, like for you know, every minute, like you make sure like you're good, you understand? Not like there's a difference. There's someone you can talk to, and someone gonna be down for you. You understand? It's a different person. Just not that shit. There are people you can talk to. They may help you in there. But the shit that is going inside your mind and heart, you against the world, baby girl, baby boy, whatever you are. I don't wanna lie. That's one of the things that I figured out. I don't know, like this shit is crazy, boy. Like, you know, I didn't believe when people say, you know, people used to say I look myself in the mirror, I couldn't even fucking recognize myself. Damn, bro. I didn't believe that shit. At some point in my life, I looked at myself in the mirror, I was like, with that guy, boy, with that guy. You understand? I didn't believe, man, this motherfucker, man, I didn't believe shit. Like, for real, though, it's like, this shit like is crazy, dog. Like, you're gonna see like, dog. I don't know. Holy, you know the stories when it's like, no, you gotta go through the most fans before blah blah blah. You gotta do the most fans. My nigga, you know what I realized? The most gonna hit hard, but you're gonna see who's real, who's not. Boy, like you. Dog, like, fuck, guys. You're right, something disturbed me. This one, people by now, they were doing their yard or whatever, so I had to stop the video, understand? So yeah, so now I'm gonna take my shit out there and go there and bath. I'm just gonna go home and do my vision board or whatever that shit is, just to recalculate everything to see how shit is gonna go out. Understand? You know the fucked up thing about doing some calculators. It's calculated, boy. It's calculated. It's errors. You have to consider margin errors, like a lot of shit. Like just like mathematical, statistical, probabilitical. Even that shit is the way. Engineering shit, dog. So I gotta get it and make sure I operate it, dog. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. I don't know how to do it. You know, it's funny ways to work shit. So when I just put your shit there. But the thing about the universe, it knows like your true desire, not the work you do. Fuck, nah, it doesn't. I know, nah. Like, I don't know how to say it. Like, you can be a good person, but the shit that you went to just makes you a bad person, understand? But deep down, you want to shit to go like always gonna choose like the good side. If like you're in the fight and they see like there's a side that where you can like, nah, let's choose the side, you can see. You know, like, I don't know how to say it, man. When like people is shouting and you hear you doing what one two, you're gonna mean, nah, let's chill. I know I did a mistake, but you're gonna say, It's just coming shit. You're gonna say, yeah, you don't wanna say shit like that, blah 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 blah. You see, you try choosing the like the better side of the situation, but motherfuckers is like, then motherfucker or whatever decide to go hard on you. You see, like, because it's gonna be like, nah, bitch, or nah, nigga, I can't do this shit to myself. You know what's right? So it's gonna be a fuck situation where it could be like a fuck win situation for like win for you and fuck for you, understand? Or him. So it's also gonna be like that. I don't know why. So it's like that. Good people are not good to good. I mean, bad people are not bad to bad people, and good people are not good to bad people. Or bad people are not bad to good people, and bad good people are not bad to good people. Something like that, dog. You understand? Something like that. Hola. Something like that, you understand? It's like, you know this Eminem song? Her husband, what? His husband or bad husband? Yeah, I think it's a bad husband. He said like, can be a good, I'm just, the context that he used, I'm gonna use it in my own way. So like, you can be a good dad. I mean, you can be a good brother, you can be a good, you can be a good brother, but a bad boyfriend, but a good uncle. You understand? Like, it depends. So when you say that, I realize like it depends the perception of how the other person looks at you, or the person you are to whatever person. I don't know if that makes sense. Your people are pulling up, so I need to pause this shit.